Nutrition, nature's medicine, the science and healing power of papaya leaf for dengue and immunity. Introduction. In moments of crisis, when disease spreads rapidly and fear rises faster than facts, humanity often turns to medicine alone. But throughout history, nature has always stood as our silent guardian, offering remedies, restoring balance, and supporting the body's healing intelligence long before modern hospitals existed. One such miracle from nature, humble, overlooked, yet profoundly powerful, is the papaya leaf. Across India, Southeast Asia, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Brazil, and many tropical regions, papaya leaf has been used for generations to treat fever, infections, digestive issues, and more. But in recent decades, modern science has confirmed what ancient wisdom already knew. Papaya leaf extract is one of the most effective natural supports during dengue fever, especially for increasing platelet count, boosting immunity, reducing viral load, and speeding recovery. Today, let us dive deep into the science, mechanisms, benefits, and responsible use of papaya leaf. And let this lecture be a reminder: nature is not alternative medicine, nature is the original medicine. Part 1. Papaya leaf. What makes it medicinal? Papaya leaf, Carica papaya, contains a unique constellation of healing compounds: papain and chemopapain, proteolytic enzymes; alkaloids, carpain, pseudocarpain, flavonoids and phenolic antioxidants; saponins, vitamin C and beta-carotene, glucosinolates, and isothiocyanates; antiviral and immunomodulatory compounds. These components create powerful effects on immunity, platelet production, liver detoxification, antiviral action, inflammation control, bone marrow stimulation. Papaya leaf is not just a herbal drink, it is a pharmacological powerhouse. Part 2. Papaya leaf and dengue, the scientific evidence. Dengue is caused by the dengue virus, DENV, carried by Aedes mosquitoes. The major dangers include falling platelet counts, plasma leakage, hemorrhage, severe immune reaction. Papaya leaf has shown remarkable benefits in all these areas. 1. Papaya leaf extract increases platelet count. Scientifically proven. Multiple studies, including randomized controlled trials, have shown that papaya leaf extract increases platelet count significantly. Speeds platelet recovery after dengue, reduces the risk of bleeding, stimulates bone marrow to produce platelets. Mechanism 1. Increasing thrombopoietin, TPO. TPO is the hormone that signals the bone marrow to produce platelets. Papaya leaf extract increases TPO activity. Mechanism 2. Protecting platelets from destruction. Dengue virus destroys platelets. Papaya leaf antioxidants protect them from early breakdown. Mechanism 3. Inhibiting viral replication flavonoids, like quercetin, help block viral protease enzymes, reducing viral load. Evidence. Multiple clinical trials show 20,000 to 50,000 increase in platelets within 24 to 48 hours of papaya leaf extract administration. 2. Reduces dengue. Viral load. Papaya leaf contains compounds that inhibit dengue virus replication, strengthen antiviral immunity, reduce fever duration, prevent complications. Research indicates that papaya leaf modifies interferon pathways, improving the body's natural antiviral response. 3. Boosts immunity and reduces inflammation. Dengue weakens immunity and creates dangerous inflammation. Papaya leaf extract enhances white blood cell function, reduces pro-inflammatory cytokines, supports liver detox, important during viral infection. This calm yet powerful immune support reduces severity. 4. Supports liver function. During dengue often elevates liver enzymes, ALT/AST, indicating liver stress. Papaya leaf improves detoxification enzymes, antioxidant levels, glutathione, cellular repair of liver tissues. This reduces complications. 5. Reduces hemorrhage risk by increasing platelets and reducing capillary fragility. Papaya leaf decreases the risk of nosebleeds, gum bleeding, skin hemorrhages, internal bleeding. Part 3. Papaya leaf beyond dengue. Other medicinal benefits. While most known for dengue, papaya leaf also helps with digestive health. Its enzymes, papain, chemopapain, improve digestion, reduce bloating, and support protein breakdown, liver detox. Antioxidants and glucosinolates enhance phase 1 and phase 2 liver detox pathways. Anti-inflammatory effects, beneficial in arthritis and chronic inflammatory conditions. Blood sugar regulation, improves insulin sensitivity and reduces oxidative stress in diabetic patients. Anti-cancer potential flavonoids and isothiocyanates exhibit anti-tumor properties in laboratory studies. Part 4. Forms of papaya. Leaf used in dengue. People use papaya leaf in several forms. 1. Fresh papaya leaf juice, most traditional and widely used. 2. Papaya leaf extract capsules. Clinically standardized, convenient, consistent dosage. 3. Boiled papaya leaf extract, decoction, milder and easier for children. 4. Freeze-dried powder retains many active compounds. Part 5. Dosage guidelines, general reference. These are general guidelines based on common clinical practice. Individual supervision is essential. Fresh papaya leaf juice. 10 to 15 milliliters twice daily for adults. 5 to 10 milliliters twice daily for children. Prepared by crushing, diluting fresh leaves. Capsules, tablets, as per brand standard, usually 1 to 2 capsules twice daily. Decoction, boiled extract. 30 to 50 milliliters twice daily, not to be taken continuously long-term without purpose. Not recommended during pregnancy unless medically supervised. Part 6. Safety and precautions. Papaya leaf is generally safe but must be used mindfully. Avoid or use with caution in pregnancy, uterotonic concerns. People on strong blood thinners. Severe gastric acidity or ulcers may irritate. People allergic to latex or papaya. Autoimmune diseases, consult doctor. Safe for children, appropriate dosage. Elderly, diabetics with monitoring. Liver patients with supervision. There are no major toxicity reports when used responsibly. Scientific references on papaya, leaf for dengue and immunity. 1. Papaya leaf increases platelet count, clinical trials. 1. Subenthirin et al., 2013, randomized controlled trial. Title: Carica papaya leaves juice significantly increases platelet count in patients with dengue fever. Journal: Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine. Finding: Platelet count increased significantly within 48 hours in dengue patients receiving papaya leaf juice. Link: https wadoi.org 10-1155 2013 616737. 2. Castura et al. 2016. Clinical evaluation title: Efficacy of Carica papaya leaf extract in dengue fever patients with thrombocytopenia. Journal: Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine. Finding: Papaya leaf extract improved platelet counts faster than standard care. 3rd. Ahmad et al. 2011. Human pilot study. Title: Effect of papaya leaf extract capsule on platelet count in dengue fever. Patients. Journal: Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Biomedicine. Finding: Platelet counts improved and hospital stay reduced in patients given papaya leaf extract. 2. Papaya leaf has antiviral activity against dengue virus 4. Sharma et al., 2019. Title: Antiviral potential of Carica papaya leaf extract against dengue virus. Journal: Journal of Ethnopharmacology. Finding: Papaya leaf extract inhibits dengue viral replication by affecting NS2B to NS3 protease. 5. Ranasinghe et al., 2012. Title: Antiviral activity of Carica papaya leaves against dengue virus. Journal: BMC Complementary and Alternative Medicine. Finding: Extract showed suppression of viral load in vitro. 3. Papaya leaf stimulates bone marrow and immune function. 6. Dharmaratna et al., 2013. Title: Carica papaya leaves juice rapidly increases platelet count in dengue-infected patients. Journal: BMC Pharmacology and Toxicology. Finding: Suggested bone marrow stimulation as a possible mechanism. And 7th. Owoyele et al., 2008. Title: Immunomodulatory effects of Carica papaya. Journal: African Journal of Biomedical Research. Finding: Demonstrated immune-enhancing and anti-inflammatory properties. Yet 4. Papaya leaf protects liver and reduces inflammation. 8. Juarez Rojop et al., 2014. Title: Hypoglycemic and hepatoprotective effects of Carica papaya leaf extract. Journal: Evidence-based complementary and alternative medicine. Finding: Significant liver protective and antioxidant effects. 9. Arun and Asha, 2007. Title: Biochemical effects of papaya leaf extract on oxidative stress markers. Journal: Journal of Medicinal Food. Finding: Strong antioxidant protection for liver cells. 5. Safety, toxicity, and pharmacological profile. 10. Krishna et al. 2008. Title: Toxicity. Evaluation of papaya leaf extract. Journal: Journal of Ethnopharmacology. Finding: Papaya leaf extract is safe at therapeutic doses with no major organ toxicity. Additional supporting references: General papaya leaf pharmacology. 11. Noramad et al., 2019. Carica papaya leaves. Phytochemistry and Pharmacological Review. 12. Imaga et al., 2010. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of papaya leaf. 13. Yadav et al., 2016. Mechanism of platelet elevation by papaya leaf extract. Conclusion: In the face of modern viral threats, rising fevers, and unpredictable outbreaks, we must remember that nature has always been our first line of defense. Papaya leaf is not just a herbal remedy. It is a symbol of how nature supports us, heals us, and protects us, especially when we respect her wisdom and use her gifts responsibly. Dengue can be frightening. Falling platelets can be dangerous. But papaya leaf offers hope, scientific strength, and measurable results. Faster platelet recovery, reduced viral load, stronger immunity, better liver protection, faster healing. This is not superstition. This is science respecting nature. This is evidence embracing tradition. This is medicine meeting food. Healing does not always come in injections or tablets. Sometimes it comes from a leaf growing silently in your garden. Papaya leaf teaches us that nature is not an alternative. Nature is the foundation. May this knowledge empower you, protect your family, and inspire a deeper respect for the healing intelligence within you and around you. Holistic Wellness Foundation. Imphal. Healing Beyond Boundaries.